Hey my beloveds, so we're here at the gorgeous beach and I have a question for you. Who wants to be bikini ready for summer? And way more important than that, who wants to be in the absolute best shape of their life and stay that way? So if you guys want to know my 5 top tips for getting bikini ready for summer and way more importantly, to get into the best shape of your life and stay there, let's go ahead and get started with this video. You guys ready? Come on. Healthy habits tip number 1, keep it green. What do I mean by that? Eat something or drink something green at every meal. And when I say every meal, I mean every meal. So that could be a delicious raw green juice for a snack or first thing in the morning. It could be putting these amazingly delicious and nutritious greens on your plate at lunch and at dinner. It could be a delicious collard green wrap so that now the wrap itself is green and you're getting some greens in there. Or it could be my favorite, you guys know I talk about this all the time, Superfoods green smoothie. So my brand new favorites is yoursuper.com. Incredible, amazing, loaded with all sorts of incredibly delicious and nutritious superfoods in there. Pea protein, hemp protein, moringa, spirulina, alfalfa, and it tastes incredible. Look at this one. Forever Beautiful. I mean, come on, seriously? How are you not gonna love something that's called Forever Beautiful? Has some incredible ingredients and it really amazing. So if you guys want, there's a special discount code, Dr. Elizabeth. Of course, it's Dr. Elizabeth. And I will go ahead, I'll put it right here, and I will leave it in the description box below. So if you guys want to check them out, they're giving a special discount to all of my people, which I think is really generous of them. So if you'd like, check that out. But those are just simple, easy, and healthy ways to get greens into every one of your meals. Cool? So Pinky Swear promised me you guys do that. I'm telling you, if you just do this practice, you will make massive changes in your physical appearance and you will absolutely be rocking a bikini before you know it. Okay, now let's go on to our next tip. Tip number 2, get moving. What I mean by that is get out and move your body in some form, some way, every day. It doesn't have to be going to the gym. Now, you guys know I love going to the gym and it's such a habit for me that I just go every single day. I would literally feel off. I would feel not myself if I didn't go to the gym every day because it's literally part of the fiber and fabric of my being. I love it so much. It makes me feel so amazing. It'd be like trying to take something away that makes you feel good. That's how it would feel for me. If you said, oh no, you can't go to the gym every day, I'd be like, no. We need to talk because it just makes me feel so alive and healthy and strong. It's such a blessing to me that I want to go to the gym every day. So of course, I would love to have all of you guys join me at the gym and get to the point where you guys are going and working out every single day because I love you guys and I know how amazing you'll feel. And in the meantime, as we're building up to that, just find a way to move your body that gives you great joy. You guys, if you guys have been on my channel for a while, you've heard me say this in my book, and also you've heard me say this in previous videos. I invite you to go on an adventure, to discover ways to move your body that give you great joy. It could be horseback riding, it could be bicycle riding, it could be skiing, it could be snowboarding, it could be playing tennis. My beloveds, it could be making love. If you guys are in an intimate relationship, there is absolutely no reason why you can't be intimate with your partner every night. I mean, first of all, it's a delicious way to connect and bond with your beloved. On top of it, it's phenomenal exercise. Think about it. You're exercising right before you go to bed. You're emitting all these feel-good endorphins and hormones. And so now you drift off to a very peaceful and blissful sleep. You wake up, you've lost some weight, and you're radiating and glowing. I mean, come on. What's better than that, right? So if you're with a partner, get busy. Doctor's orders, okay? Okay, enough on this topic. Let's move to the next tip. Next tip, relaxation. This is the most underappreciated tip of all my tips. We live in such a high, fast-paced, speedy, go, 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 go kind of society. Nobody ever just takes a breath and relax. So I'm here at my beautiful friend, Penny, who I adore.
Hey guys.
I'm at my friend Penny's Wellness Center. It's Foskaris Wellness Center in Anaheim. She's amazing. The center is amazing. I love her so much. And we're actually going to do a video in the future talking about skin tightening and fat loss. A whole video on that. But today I'm featuring her in the video because we're talking about relaxation. She has so many things, such as the infrared.
We have the infrared mats that have all kinds of modalities on them. And then we have the relaxation goggles,
which are amazing.
Amazing.
And what are the name of those?
Those are for CO.
They're incredible.
Yeah.
And what else?
And then we have an infrared sauna that you can sit in as well.
And so what are the healing benefits of the infrared sauna?
So it actually helps regulate the body and the blood flowing and lose weight. You can actually lose weight sitting in the sauna.
Seriously?
You didn't know that? Yeah. You can sit in the sauna and also put the CO on and have a full-on 10-15 minutes of bliss.
Well, what I love to do, I love the infrared mat. Like, seriously, I love the infrared mat. So I lay on that and I put the goggles on and I'm just like blissed out in heaven.
And in just 10-15 minutes.
Exactly.
It doesn't have to be a long time.
It doesn't have to be. It could be 5 minutes, guys. Oh my God, you guys. This is so relaxing and so heavenly. You could do it. You could relax. You could come in here to her center or even on your own. You just take a couple of minutes. But what it does is it literally resets. It relax,
reset, and recharge
the entire body.
You get out of there. Even if you want to stay longer, you can. But after 15 minutes, you really are recharged, ready to take on the day.
And it heals the body.
Yeah.
It's incredible.
Yeah.
So, Pinky Swear promised me, you guys. We're going to do it right here for you. Pinky Swear promised me that you'll incorporate this powerful tip into your life. It will truly get you healthy, strong, fit, and bikini ready for summer. And it'll make you so peaceful and happy and centered and joy-filled.
Yeah.
Lock it.
Okay. Lock it.
Bam. Okay. All right, let's go on to our next tip. Thank you, my love. I love you. Oh wait. We have to say to our Greek friends.
Okay.
What? We're gonna tell them we love them. 1, 2, 3.
Sagapo.
I love that. Next healthy habit: turn the TV off and turn your mind on. My beloveds, you might be thinking, okay, what does that have to do with getting bikini ready, Dr. Elizabeth? What does my mind have to do with my body? Everything, my beloveds, everything. First of all, the TV puts us asleep. It knocks us out. It makes us unconscious. Second of all, what's on TV? Junk food ads. Name the names, but you guys know the culprits, right? You know them. If you watch TV, you know them. My roommates watch TV, so I know them. Second of all, pharmaceutical ads, which make me insane. I can hardly even talk about it. Ask your doctor about this. Ask your doctor about this pill. And then if you listen closely, oh, by the way, it can cause blindness, impotence, muscle atrophy. Oh yeah, and death. This is them talking. And they're great. The more you eat the junk food, the more you want the pills. And before you know it, you're dead. And not only are you physically dead, the moment you start eating that junk food, you are emotionally dead. They've got you from the first bite. You are now addicted and they own you. It's why I was driving home the other day and I was passing by Costco in Marina del Rey. There was a line outside the parking lot, literally wrapped around. There must have been 60 plus cars, 8 o'clock at night, waiting to order the junk food. I won't mention the name. You guys know if you live here. Waiting in line to get this junk food. That's how highly addictive it is. So we turn the TV off, we turn our minds on. So what happens when we turn our minds on? First of all, when we turn the TV off, we separate ourselves from the things that are trying to pull us in and keep us from living a healthy lifestyle. Then what we do, my beloveds, is we turn our minds on just by using our smartphones and plugging in and listening to an amazing, inspiring, uplifting audiobook. I'm telling you guys, Audible is my best friend. I'm sure most of you have heard of it, but if for some reason you haven't, Audible is a service, and you can get, you have access to a huge library of audiobooks. And it's incredible. Pretty much any book you would ever want, you go to their library and you get it. And I literally, and I'm not kidding you guys, I probably listen to at least 2 or more audiobooks a week. I listen to them when I'm in the gym. I listen to them when I'm driving here in the car. I listen to them when I'm making my meals at home, or when I'm making my smoothies. I listen to them when I'm getting ready for bed and when I'm getting up in the morning. It's such a wonderful way to absorb really incredible and inspiring information from these beautiful books that are out in the world. All right, my beloveds, go check Audibles out. I think you'll love them. I'm not sponsored. I'd like to be sponsored. Hello, Audibles. But I'm not sponsored. And in the meantime, let's go ahead, hit the road, and check out our next secret. All right, come on. Let's go. All right, my beloveds. Last but certainly not least is healthy lifestyle tip number 5, sleep. You guys hear me say this all the time, but it bears repeating again. Sleep is our best friend at any age, but especially over the age of 30, and especially for women. Sleep gives us that revitalizing, regenerating, rejuvenated, healthy, glowing skin, healthy body, and also the lack of sleep can cause us to emit a stress hormone called cortisol, which literally causes us to retain weight and excess fat. So it makes it nearly impossible for us to release the weight that we want to release, especially if we're trying to get bikini ready for summer. So you guys have heard me say this in my book, and of course you've heard me say this if you've been on my channel for a while. I created a concept called juicy sleep. Juicy sleep is the sleep you get before midnight. Why that's so important is because that's the time when our body rejuvenates and regenerates the sex hormones, which is what gives us the juiciness, the vitality, the glowing skin, the healthy hair, and also a nice, strong, lean body. So we really want to do ourselves the favor of getting enough sleep. 7 hours minimum, especially for women over the age of 30. And of course, 8 is ideal. And if you feel like you need more sleep, of course, listen to your body, because our physical bodies really know, especially if you're going through a very difficult time, emotionally or mentally or physically in your life, then we actually need a lot more sleep. All right, my beloveds, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Promise me you put these habits into practice. They're simple tips, and they work. I'm telling you, even if you did one of these, it will dramatically change your health and your life for the better. Okay, message me below. Let me know if you like this video. I'm kind of going back to the old style of video I used to do way back in the day. So let me know if you like it. Also, let me know what videos you would like to see next. And let me know how you're doing with your healthy lifestyle journey. All right, I love you guys. I love you so much, to infinity and back. And of course, until next time, remember, my beloveds, you can do this. You can put these tips into practice. You can change your life for the better, and you can get yourself bikini ready by this summer. All right, talk to you soon. Ciao.